All right. I would imagine to take these off, I see they kind of like turn. Yeah, that's easy. Them just kind of turn, come out. Put that on the ground. I have to lift that one. There we go. All right. And of course, everything drops out. Put a little light on the subject. Boom. All right. That is where the filter is. Looks like that pinches. That pinches. And boom. There's the filter. And of course, it'll probably look fairly clean. Now, at first glance, it does look pretty clean, but this is originally a white filter. As you can see, all that crap. Some kind of a bug, moss. Anyway, yeah, you don't want to breathe that stuff. So, and me personally, I like the carbon filters. That's why this is grayish. All right. So, this one, you can see it says airflow down, and this one has, see, airflow down. Obviously, it comes from outside the car into the car. And by the way, if you want to keep critters from entering, I believe you can hit the recirculate before you shut off your car, and that keeps it a closed system. I ain't 100%, but that's what I've heard. But there's something in there to close, and it just recirculates the inside. If you've ever had squirrels or mice or anything make a nest in these things. All right, so simply just shove that right back in there. Easy peasy, right? And then that clips, boom. I mean, I literally did that in one hand. All right, now I just gotta lift up this and get rid of this nasty filter. Remember, that's just after 8,000 miles, folks. All right, I'll lift this up and I'll throw them plastic things back in there. Everything will be great.